Alright, it's Friday, TGIF. We got Stevie from school, Daddy's with us, and we're on our way to stamp number 8, Reknowned Vineyard in East Granby. We'll probably grab something to eat and maybe we'll eat there. But they do have a St. Patrick's Day themed green wine, so we'll be trying that. So we'll see you there. Alright, we're here.
We're leaving.
You want to drink some wine? I'm kidding.
Where'd you go, yeah?
No. Alright, see you in there. I got the St. Patrick's Day sangria made with white. No, baby, you can't. It's got some kiwi and green apple, and it's made with white tip heron. No, baby, because it's wine.
It's liquor.
I want kiwi.
Nice looking bar. All right, it's Saturday. It's like 10:50. I did my 8-mile run. I'm kind of feeling tired right now, but we are on our way back out to Litchfield to get, I think we're on our 9th 9 out of 14. We actually have to go back to the vineyards that we visited last week, or was it the week before? Anyway, we have to go back to get the stamps because Steve got a book, 2 books for his friend, and what happened was we had those books stamped, so we need all of our stamps because we had already gone out to like Windham County and stuff, so we need everything in one book. So we're gonna do that. Steve's getting a bagel, something to eat, put something on his stomach because he gets hangry. I'm losing my train of thought. I gotta stop by. I dropped Stevie off at my grandparents. I gotta stop by the mall and get her credit for my grandmother. She wants her $20. I guess there's some kind of coupon for Macy's. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna head out to Brookfield to DeGrazia, and then we're gonna head to Hopkins, and then we're going to Miranda and Haight Brown again. So we brought our cribbage board and just like some light snacks because we're just gonna stop in and get the stamps, and that's about it. So we'll see you guys at DeGrazia. We'll show you that, and we'll show you Miranda. All right, have a good day. Bye. Yes, Miranda Vineyard with a cool truck. I got such great pictures of Stevie in front of that truck. Miranda Vineyard. I do like this vineyard.
I'm praying they have my sunglasses.
I know.
I'll be so happy.
Please. The vineyards outside. Fire. They got a loft up there. Bars over there. They used to have a bar on this side. I know we got carded.
With my gear, then it's possible.
I need some cribbage.
Didn't think they would ever card me.
I have another glass, I think.
God.